Ruin an engine. Part of learning how to drive a car is finding out how to take care of your car's engine. Once the engine breaks down, you will have to spend time and money to have it repaired. If you don't have an extra vehicle or there is no decent public transportation system in your area, then you will have to suffer the inconvenience of not having a vehicle for a few hours or even days. Here are a few ways that can ruin a car's engine. Use the wrong kind of fuel. If your vehicle runs on regular gasoline, don't use diesel. Unlike regular gasoline, diesel has a component of oil. Vehicles running on diesel fuel need motor oil to lubricate the engine. Inadvertently using unleaded gasoline in a diesel engine requires that the tank be drained. The engine needs to be repaired as well. On the flip side, your vehicle will still run if you loaded diesel fuel into the tank. But, thick smoke will come out of your exhaust system. Purging the gas tank is necessary in order to remove the diesel fuel. This can be an expensive procedure. Allow large quantities of water in the gas tank. When a lot of water gets into your car's gas tank, this can cause the engine to stop running. The tank needs to be drained properly and then dried completely. The engine will need to be overhauled, especially when the car was submerged in water. This can happen during a flood or when the car is driven into a body of water like a river or lake. Put other types of damaging liquids into the car. Putting bleach into the gasoline tank or mixing it with the oil will definitely cause damage to the engine. Bleach can rust the gas tank as well as thin out the oil. If you don't want the extra expense, only use liquids that are approved by the manufacturers of your vehicle. Purge the oil from your car's engine. Motor oil lubricates the engine's components, specifically the metal pistons, the metal piston chambers and the metal rings. If these are not properly lubricated, friction is created which causes wear and tear on these parts as well as too much heat. Oil functions as a cooling medium as well for all the engine's internal parts. Removing all the oil via the screw plug under the engine will surely destroy the engine. Improper usage of performance-enhancing gases. Car enthusiasts who love to race often use nitrous oxide to give their engine that boost of speed they need to get ahead in a car race. Use of nitrous oxide requires heavier metal pistons than what is found in regular cars. Overuse of performance-enhancing gases on regular vehicles can cause damage to regular piston rods. The gas combustion produced by the nitrous oxide eventually causes the pistons to shatter. Metal fragments from the shattered pistons can get into other parts of the engine, thus rendering the engine useless until it is thoroughly repaired. Owning and driving a vehicle is a big responsibility. Just because there are towing services and car shops all around it doesn't mean that all you need to know is how to drive. It is important to learn how to properly take care of your car's engine and the whole car in general. Repairs are not only costly, they are inconvenient, too. A well-maintained car will ensure many days of smooth and safe driving pleasure for you and your loved ones.